Hi and welcome to the video training of JavaScript. In this video training we will be learning about the encoding API that is built into your browser and every modern browser today thanks to developer.mozilla.org. So the encoding API provides a mechanism for handling text in various character encodings including legacy non-UTF-8 encodings. The API provides four interfaces: text decoder, text encoder, text decoder stream and text encoder stream. But we are going to discuss and experiment with text encoder and text decoder. So now let's look at text encoder first. The text encoder interface takes a stream of code points as input and emits a stream of UTF-8 bytes. Let's go to the console and try this example. cd personal JavaScript, and I'm going to create a folder called encoding. Set the permissions. Encoding, okay, problem. So here I'm going to use the text editor Sublime for this example, and there you go. So let's increase the font size. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to use the script tag, and here we are going to define the constant encoder equals new text encoder. So creating an object of the encoder type, and now we are going to say view equals encoder dot encode, and that's the sign of euro. So let's go to Google to find that sign, euro sign, or euro sign. So just copy it from here and go to your code and here and paste it. Okay, that's it. Now the third and final step is to console.log view. Let's see if the euro sign has been successfully encoded. Now let's go to that folder, personal projects, JavaScript encoding, and double click on index.html. This will open up your file in your default browser. Let's see the console here again. Now you see the example here. UTF-8 decoder.decode. Okay. So we are going to UTF. This is our variable object dot decode. Let's save the file and run it again in the browser. Okay, you can see the Chinese sign here. As you see, we have the Chinese or Japanese signal here. We can also do it like in int 8 array, unit 16 array, int 16 array, and int 32 array, and just call the decode function or the UTF-8 decoder. You can download this source code from my GitHub repository. The link will be added in the YouTube video description. Handling non-UTF-8 text. In this example, we decode the Russian text, which means hello world, in our text decoder constructor. We specify the Windows 1 to 5.1 character encoding, which is appropriate for Cyrillic script. So let 1251 decoder. Let's go to our example here. I'm going to comment this as well. So we have all the code in one file. Okay, let win125 1 decoder equals new x decoder, and we are going to pass it Windows 1251 encoding. Let bytes equal new unit new uint 8 array, and we're going to pass them some numbers 207 240 232 226 229 242 44 32 236 232 240 and 33. And now let's console.log bytes. Okay, before that we are going to pass this to decoder as well. Dot code. Now it makes sense. Save this file and go to the browser and refresh it. You see we have got hello world in Russian language. So you can use it for websites which are using multilingual support like Chinese, Russian, Japanese, etc. etc. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, you can reach me if you need any assistance. I'll be more than happy to reply back. Thanks.